Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. So it's March already. It's like हम third month में आ गए हैं इस साल के. I really don't know how time flies. Anyways, I'm just gonna unbox today Euphorbia box for the month of March. So let's just check it out and see what's inside. And let me tell you, this is one of the most affordable subscription box available in India. So yeah, if you don't want to spend so much but you like getting this kind of subscription boxes every month, so you can just go with that. And yeah, let's just open it. Alright, so this is the bag I got this time. It's golden in color. So this is the pouch, golden in color with some texture going on. Really pretty, nice pouch. Let's just see the contents inside this pouch. So first I'm just gonna take out the info card, which is this one. In it, every product detail is given up and their prices as well. So let's check out the products one by one. Alright, so the very first thing I can see is by AM Greens. It is intensive hair mask with argan oil and anti-hair fall root repair formula, and it's made with 100% organic Moroccan argan oil, jojoba oil, bitter almond oil and aloe vera for deep conditioning and healthier and softer looking hair infused with plant milk. And guys, I have already used this mask and I am completely in love with this mask. I'm so happy to get this again. I think even last time I got in this box, I don't remember which box I got it, but I am completely in love with this mask. So yeah, definitely gonna be using it. And this AM Greens intensive hair mask retails for about 599 rupees. It's up to 599 rupees. Actually, there's lots of options with either you will get this one or some other thing up to 599, but this one specifically retails for 460 rupees. I can see the MRP over here, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 100 grams. Okay, so if you're not getting the hair mask, you will get either 7 C's fine eyeliner, Kronokare moist urge cream, or Cape of Good soap hydrating face lotion. So yeah, you can get anything out of these 4 things. I will be mentioning everything in the description box, so you can just check it out. Let's just check out the other products I got. I see one mask thing again. Yes, it's a mask. It's a mask or what? Okay, so this is basically by the brand called Good Soap. It is mint and lime detox and revive foot soak for tired feet. It's a super food for your skin, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 75 grams. It says that it's a refreshing way to invigorate tired feet with pain absorbing crystals and a very stimulating fragrance. Yeah, so I am super looking forward for this, because there are days when my feet are literally tired and I crave for foot massages. I think this is gonna work for those days. So yes, I'm definitely gonna try this, and I'll let you know what I think about this thing, because this is very unique thing. And I will be letting you know on my Instagram, on my Instagram stories. If you don't follow me, then I have I have Instagram ID written in the description box. Go and follow my Instagram to get this short reviews. This Good Soap mint and lime detox and revive foot soak retails for about 343 rupees. Alright, next thing I see a pair of earrings. This is a silver multicolored pair of earring, more of like a jhumka type. Let me just show you. So this is how they look like. These earrings retails for about 250 rupees. Alright, I'm just left with one last product, and this is not just one last product. I have lots of products. You can see I have a whole set of lipstick, and this is by the brand called Kode mini lipstick set, and this whole set retails for about, I'm sorry guys, there's construction going on, and this whole set retails for about 399 Indian rupees, which is awesome. And I am getting 10 lipsticks in this set. That means each lipstick retails for about 39, almost 40 rupees. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, and let's just open and swatch all the colors. I will not be swatching on my lips because then the video will be too long, so I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand and I'll show you how the color looks like. And you have variety of shades. You have reds, maroons, browns, orange, pinks. So yeah, lots of good color range lipsticks. The only thing which I can see that is there's no shade number or shade name on the lipsticks, so I really can't tell you which shade number or which shade lipstick it is. So yeah, so the very first one is this one. This one is like a reddish lipstick, and look how cute it is. Perfect for traveling. It's very cute, yes, and it has quite a strong smell. So yeah, it has quite strong fragrance. So this is the swatch of the color. I am not swatching very hard, but they seem very pigmented and they look matte, so that's a good thing for me. The next color I have is a little darker color, more to like a cherry red or like more to maroonish side, and this is how it looks like. They are gliding on to my skin very effortlessly, so that's nice. Alright, so the next color is like a bright red color, more towards the warmer undertone, like, or you can see more towards the orange undertone. This is how it looks like. Then I have this really nice brown color. Oh, it looks really matte. It looks really pretty one. Then I have really nice pink shade. It's a very pretty pink and looks really matte again. Next I have like a deep cherry color or burgundy color, you can say, and this is how it looks like. Then I have a very pretty color. It's an orange color, and if you guys know me, then you must know that I love orange color. It's one of my favorite color in lipsticks or in outfits. I also love black, but for the lipstick and makeup, orange is my favorite color. So this is the orange lipstick. Then I have this pinkish reddish color, more towards like a dark pink shade, not exactly magenta, but it is closer to that. How do I explain? It is a pinkish reddish color, I would say. So this is how it looks like. Then again I have a bright red shade, but it is a little different than the previous bright red shade, and again it has some warm undertones. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. It also, when I swatched this one, it also looked orange to me, but it is more of a reddish orange. The previous one is like a true orange color. So yeah, that's that. Alright, I'm just left with one last shade, which is like a reddish brown color, I think, and I'm left no space. I'm just gonna swatch it here. Oh, it's not reddish brown, it is more of like a nude brown when I open this, so it looks really nice. Okay, so when I swatched this one, this is more of like a nude peach brown. Yeah, so really love this color. It's a very pretty nude shade for my skin tone. So I am thinking to keep a couple of lipsticks out of them, and rest I think I'm just gonna gift it in my family, because my sister-in-laws are also crazy for lipsticks, so I'm just gonna gift it to them. Yeah, so that's the whole set and their swatches. And yeah, so that's it for the unboxing of Euphorbia box for the month of March. I completely love it. You are getting 10 lipsticks and you're getting one hair mask, or there are lots of more options with that, and like a foot soak which helps for like tired feet, and a pair of earrings. So that's a really good deal in really nice amounts. So if you're interested to get this subscription box, I will be leaving all the details about this subscription box in my description box, so go and check it out, subscribe it for yourself. And yeah, that's it for the video. And if you're still watching me for the very first time and new to my channel, then I would request to please subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.